The next foldable smartphones to leave Samsung's assembly line this year are expected to be the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5. The Flip 5 and Fold 5 specifications are already known, despite the fact that the official releases are still months away. Every technical aspect of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 specifications are now available to the public thanks to a complicated technique using a link obtained via binary code provided on Twitter by Snoopy Tech. For each foldable, this covers the option of display size and SoC. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will, as expected, have two displays, one internal and one exterior. This time, Samsung has fitted the Flip 5's exterior with a substantially bigger display. With a 748 by 720 resolution, the display is 3.4 inches wide. The Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has a flexible screen with a resolution of 2640 by 1080, measures 6.7 inches internally and seems to be able to reach up to 120 Hz. Internally, the Flip 5 has 8GB of RAM, 256GB or 512GB of storage, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. A 3700 mAh battery, which should last a respectable period of time, is also included with the clamshell foldable. Integrated inside the external display on the rear are a 12MP main and 12MP ultra-wide camera. Lavender, mint, cream, and graphite will be the available hues for the product. Things intensify a little when it comes to the Z Fold 5 specifications. The Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen supports both display sizes, which are identical in size to those of the previous generation. While the inside screen is 7.6 inches, the exterior display measures 6.2 inches at 2176 by 1812. Both have a 120 Hz bandwidth, and the external display's variable refresh rate averages at least 48 frames per second. The Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen inside along with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. There is no physical difference between the Fold 4 and the 4400 mAh battery within. The Fold 5 will include a 50MP primary camera and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. The third lens is a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. According to reports, this generation's foldable is also 10 grams lighter. The Fold 5 will be offered in icy blue, cream, and phantom black. Surprisingly, neither gadget seems to have a dust-resistant certification in the IPX8 classification given. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.